So, how perfect is this? Alright, look at this. Snow. Alright, so it's now about 7:30 a.m. Saturday, November 3rd. And as you can see, I got a little bit of snowfall on the ground last night as I was sleeping. Look down there, I got water accumulation in a little hole that had been dry all summer long. So now I know I've got an emergency spot to collect some water, which is really neat at this time of year. But, you know, another month or so it'll be 2 or 3 feet of snow out here, so getting water won't be a problem. Alright.